Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I discuss about connectedness of topology. Let UV be subset of a topological space X tau, then the set UV are said to be separated if and only if U not equal to phi, V not equal to phi, U intersection V bar phi, bar intersection V equal to phi. In the other word, we also say that the non-empty set U and V are separated if U intersection derived set V and D derived set U intersection V equal to phi. What is derived set? The set of all limits of a set of A is denoted by derived A. Here we consider a example 1 by 3, 4 by 11, 3 by 8, which is of the form 2n by 5n plus 1. If you last term, if you divided by n and n puts to infinity, so here limit point is 2 by 5, which is limit 5 but does not belong, that is derived set. Okay, so and that is separated set. Now we give one example. Consider a usual topology U and R are the subset U equal to open interval 3 4 V open interval 4 5 W equal to close interval 5 6, that is closed set, that is open, and U V are separated as because U intersection V bar, that is derived V. So here 3 by 4 and that will be here in first bracket, so it should be third bracket. Okay, as because that is closed derived, so that is equal to 5 and U derived intersection V, that is 3 4, so here that is open interval, so it is closed interval, so that is equal to 5. But VW are not separated as because V bar is that is closed interval, so and that is closed interval, so here intersection must be, that is 4 set 4, which does not belongs to 5. Now disconnectedness, what is? Let X tau be a topological space. U dash is a subset of X. U dash is said to be disconnected or separated subset of X if there exists GH belongs to tau, that U bar intersection G, U dash intersection G and U dash intersection H not equal to phi, U dash intersection G intersection U dash intersection H equal to phi, and U dash equal to U dash intersection G union U dash intersection H. In this case, U is called the disconnection of U. If U dash is connected if it is not disconnected. Okay, and if you consider U dash equal to X, then you put all here U dash equal to X, so we get here X intersection G, X intersection H not equal to phi, U V not equal to, and G intersection H equal to phi. So X equal to X intersection G union X intersection H equal to GUH. In this case, GUH is called the disconnected, and X is called the connected if it is not disconnected. Now we introduce a very important theorem. Let X tau be a topological space, then X is disconnected if there exists a non-empty subset of X which is both closed and open, which is there exists A. Let X tau be a disconnected topology, then the from above you can write G comma H belongs to tau, G not equal to phi, H not equal to phi, G intersection H equal to tau, and X is equal to G H from this above as it is disconnected. To prove that there exists a non-empty proper set X which is both open closed, then G intersection H equal to phi, H is open belongs to tau, then G is X minus H, so G is closed, and X is GUH, G not equal to phi not equal to H, so G is a subset of X, so G is a non-proper subset of X, so non-proper subset of X. Finally we have there exists a proper subset G of X which is both open and closed. Now to prove disconnectedness A not equal to phi, A is closed, so X minus A not equal to phi, X minus A is open, B not equal to phi, then B is open, where B equal to X minus B is the subset of X minus A, so X minus A equal to B, this implies AUB equal to X, AUB equal to phi. Thus the A and B both are empty disjoint X and also open such that AUB equal to X, consequently X is disconnected. Now we prove one connected set X equal to A comma B comma C, then tau is equal to all subset of this. Tau is suppose tau is phi X A C B, then tau close equal to phi will be X and X will be tau close phi, and AC will be, if you deduct from there AC, then that is B, and here B, that is AC. So here we find B is closed and B is closed and B is open here. So B is closed and open, then above theorem we can say that this proof X tau is disconnected. Okay, thank you so much.